Hello, English learners! Today, let's follow our Stickman through his morning. We will learn 20 essential verbs.
Every day, Stickman wakes up when his alarm clock rings. He quickly sits up in bed, then he stands up and heads to the bathroom.
First, he washes his face with water. He brushes his teeth to make them clean. Then, he combs his hair and looks in the mirror.
Stickman gets dressed in his favorite outfit. He opens the window to let in fresh air. He closes his bedroom door behind him.
Stickman walks to the kitchen. He eats a big bowl of cereal. After eating, he drinks a glass of water.
Now, he reads the morning news on his phone. He writes a quick message to his friend, "Time to go!" He carries his bag out the door.
After a long day, Stickman runs home for exercise. He lifts weights to keep in shape. He listens to music while he cooks dinner. Finally, he watches TV to relax.
Before bed, he thinks about his amazing day. And now, he sleeps until the next morning.
Great job! Can you use these 20 verbs in a sentence? Type your answer below.